Oh, it was, I mean, shit was crazy. Like, poppin', nigga. You want one to you want to get a mold?
No, I'm too old for that shit.
No, you're not. Never too old.
No, in my mind I am. To me, I do it.
Nah, I always get individuals like mine be looking like this, but they be flooded out like this. They be all diamond up.
Your room goes like the last one, right?
Yeah, I'm about to go in.
Yep, some bottoms. Yep. I be getting bottoms. Go.
Smooth, you ain't fucking with it?
You better get it now while he here. Hey, yo, before I go to the club, it's only right, so I'm in Houston. I'm about to go ahead and get, you know, get my grill. Get my grill done, get my grill right. I done lost about 3 of these motherfuckers. Before I go to the club, it's only right, so I'm in Houston. I'm about to go ahead and get, you know. Bitches, go.
I know what's up.
I love them shits.
You ain't gotta do or tell me nothing. I know.
C.Stone with a dope. H-Town with a dope, man. Your boy BWF, AK Sharp, Monster Boss, man. Been getting money. You know I like that. It's that ATK slogan. That's what we about. Addicted to cash, man. Anytime you touch down in the city, fuck with the boy. Breadwinner Films, man. What's going on? You know what I mean? We call this shit Breadwinners because that's what we is. Yeah, that's how we doing it, man. Houston's finest. 100. BWF.